ruling in which the court adopted the Environment Ministry's criteria that only hills rising 100 meters or above within 500 meters will be officially recognized as part of the Aravalli Range. The court also banned the grant of fresh mining leases in areas spanning Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat until expert reports are completed. But many environmentalists have warned that the new ruling could leave nearly 60 to 90% of the ancient range open to mining. Meanwhile, politics has also erupted over the Aravalli, with protests breaking out. The Congress party also saying that it is the BJP that is bringing in such harm. The Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav has asked the opposition to stop spreading misinformation.
कुछ YouTube चैनल ने और कुछ लोगों ने एक कंफ्यूजन खड़ा कर दिया कि 100 मीटर का अर्थ होगा टॉप के 100 मीटर। ऐसा नहीं है। उसका जो बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, जो पर्वत का बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, अगर वो जमीन के अंदर भी 20 मीटर है, वहां से लेके 100 मीटर तक प्रोटेक्शन है। मेरा ये स्टेटमेंट लिख लीजिए, टोटल अरावली का एरिया 1,47,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। इसके बाद केवल अभी की जो मेरे पास 39 डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, केवल 217 किलोमीटर मतलब 2% में ही माइनिंग हो सकती है। अरावली में लगभग 20 से ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया वो एज इट इज रहेंगे।
विरोध सीधा सीधा है, किसी भी कीमत पर अरावली को ये नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते। बीजेपी को ये डिसीजन बदलना पड़ेगा। बीजेपी की सरकार की कमेटी की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैसला दिया है और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैसला दिया है वो फैसला गलत है। उस फैसले को हम स्वीकार नहीं करते और बीजेपी वालों को घमंड हो गया, बीजेपी मनमानी कर रही है, इसलिए बीजेपी को जवाब देना पड़ेगा और ये मामला ज्यादा दिन चलेगा नहीं।
So viewers, many experts have also warned that exploiting the 2 billion years old Aravalli mountain range could expose regions including Delhi to harsher weather and drought conditions in the future as well. Let's see why these hills actually hold so much importance in this northern belt. It stretches 700 kilometers across northwest India. It is a barrier against sand from the Thar Desert and is also very crucial for replenishing groundwater. It helps in biodiversity conservation and supports ecological balance in the entire Delhi NCR region, supporting a variety of flora and fauna. It's also home to ancient settlements and heritage sites as well. And yet, despite that, many activists say that we're looking at an ecological disaster that could happen. Let's get you more breaking updates now coming in. The Environment Ministry has now responded, saying that there is no grey area on Aravalli protection and those in doubt should approach the court. So Bhupender Yadav has responded. Remember, he has previously as well asked the Congress party to stop politicizing the issue. Now, in the latest, going on to say that there is no grey area on the Aravalli protection and anybody who has any doubt should approach the court in this regard. It's a Supreme Court ruling.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने जजमेंट में 2 बातें कही जो लोग छुपा रहे हैं। पहला, सबसे पहले पैराग्राफ जो है उसमें उन्होंने मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट फॉरेस्ट के ग्रीन अरावली वॉल मूवमेंट को अप्रिशिएट किया। दूसरा, उन्होंने कहा अरावली पहाड़ी और अरावली रेंज क्या होगी। तो दुनिया भर में जियोलॉजी की जो वैज्ञानिक जो जियोलॉजी में काम करते हैं, भूविज्ञान भू सर्वे विज्ञान में काम करते हैं, तो वहां एक स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन रिचर्ड मार्फी की मानी जाती है कि जो 100 मीटर की ऊंची पहाड़ी होती है उसको पर्वत माना जाता है।
My colleague Pragya joins us on the broadcast. And Pragya, many activists, environmentalists have raised some serious concerns over the Supreme Court ruling. The government has now responded time and again saying that there is a lot being said which may not be true. What are the details of the government's response?
Well, the government is saying that there is no new mining, contract that has been given, and in fact, the whole area of Aravalli, in fact, less than 1% is given for mining, and in fact, many of the, as the claims are that there are mining taking place in Aravallis, to which Environment Ministry says that there are illegal minings and there is Supreme Court ruling on illegal mining as well. There are stricter guidelines and strict rules, and also this needs to be addressed, and there It's a comprehensive definition of mining that has been given out by Supreme Court as well. So the real challenge right now before the Environment Ministry and obviously the state government is to stop this illegal mining that is being done here. So, Environment Ministry has clarified that Supreme Court judgment, whatever, it says that there is less than 1% of mining that is being done right now. No new mining contract has been given, and in fact the illegal mining is the real problem, and that's the challenge, and that is going to be taken up with the stricter recommendations and also the stricter rules that will be there to stop that illegal mining as such.
Okay, all right. Pragya, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.